How to log in to Citizens Bank online. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to easily log into your Citizens Bank online. The very first thing you want to do is open up your web browser, and here on the search bar you can simply go ahead and search for Citizens Bank, log in, hit enter, and you'll be able to find this citizensbank.com right here. Go ahead and tap on mobile and online banking on citizensbank.com. Once you open it up, you'll land on their official site, and at the top right corner of your screen you should be able to find the login button. Tap on the login option, select what type of account you want to log into, for example personal or small business. I'll just select this and then tap on login again. Once that is done, you'll be taken directly to the login portal where you have to provide your login credentials in order to be able to sign into your account. Now all you need to do here is provide your user ID and then your password that's connected to your account. Once you've done that, you can just click on the show option if you want to view the password, and you'll also get this remember user ID toggle to save your user ID information so that you don't have to enter it every time you try to log in. Now you can just tap on this login button, and if your login credentials are correct, you should be able to sign into your account. And if you are having any trouble logging in or you've forgotten your password, you can always click on the link below where it says trouble logging in or forgot password to recover your ID. That is basically it, guys. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider liking the video and subscribing, and I'll see you on the next one.